nachos for dinner. So, basically, we're just making a healthy skillet chili, serving it up with some toasted tortilla chips. But it sounds like so much more fun to say, we're having nachos for supper. So we are taking 1 onion, 1 jalapeno pepper, and adding it to nice, lean, ground sirloin, which I've cooked up till crisp, with kosher salt, black pepper, and just a drizzle of olive oil. I don't make pretty much anything in life without garlic, so that's definitely going in. I did 2 palmfuls, or about 2 tablespoons, of chili powder. And then we're also gonna put in a palmful of bright ground coriander. Throw that in there. We're gonna add some water, and then we're going to add some protein and some fiber by stirring in some beans. We'll discuss that when we come back. Okay, so now we've got our beef all cooked out and nice and crispy. Extra fiber and extra protein, and stretching a buck. Stirring in a can of beans. Smelling good. Now we're gonna add the extra liquid. Remember, we said we're gonna throw in about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of water. We're gonna top it with a little bit of cheese, about 4 to 6 ounces each of pepper jack for heat. And this is called Chihuahua cheese. Now we're gonna toast up our tortilla chips instead of just opening the sack and throwing them in a basket. When we toast blue, white, or yellow corn tortillas, we bring them back to life. We make them crisper, and we develop their flavor more fully, and they make them nutty and fragrant. So always take time when you're making nachos to toast the chips. We're gonna throw these in the oven. I'll meet you right back here. Table, top it with some scallions, cilantro or flat parsley, lots of diced tomato, cool, creamy avocado. Don't forget to dress that with lime or lemon to slow down the oxidation process so it doesn't turn brown on you. Pickled jalapenos. And instead of nachos, I serve the chips on the side so they don't get soggy. Every bite of those Macho nachos is gonna get your crunch on. Grab a snack, I bet I made you